Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use four-wheel drive low in your Jeep Wrangler. Engaging four-wheel drive low is crucial for tackling the toughest off-road challenges, providing maximum torque and control. We'll cover when and how to properly shift into this powerful setting, ensuring you get the most out of your vehicle's capabilities. Understanding these steps will significantly enhance your off-roading experience and keep you safe on the trails. Four-wheel drive low is designed for extreme conditions, not everyday driving. You should engage it when navigating very steep hills, crawling over large rocks, or traversing deep mud or sand. It's ideal for situations requiring precise control and maximum power at very slow speeds, typically under 10 miles per hour. Never use four-wheel drive low on dry, paved roads, as this can cause severe damage to your drivetrain due to binding. To engage four-wheel drive low, first bring your Jeep to a complete stop. For an automatic transmission, shift into neutral. For a manual, depress the clutch. Now, firmly and deliberately pull the transfer case lever from its current position, usually two-wheel drive high, through four-wheel drive high, and into four-wheel drive low. You should feel a distinct click, and the four-wheel drive indicator light will illuminate on your dashboard, confirming engagement. Using four-wheel drive low provides incredible advantages, offering superior traction and engine braking for controlled descents and powerful ascents. It multiplies your engine's torque, making it easier to overcome obstacles that would otherwise be impossible. Remember to keep your speed below 10 miles per hour while in four-wheel drive low. Always disengage it before returning to higher speeds or paved surfaces to prevent unnecessary wear and tear on your vehicle's components.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.